Hi. Thank you for stopping by the Credit Dispute Center. You have come today looking for help with your credit. You've come to the right place. Over the next couple of minutes, let me show you how we can help you, regardless of your credit situation, to repair your credit from past damage, help you get debt collectors off of your back, build your credit for the very first time, help you with isolated issues with your credit, or help you keep an eye on your credit. B. The Credit Dispute Center is more than just a credit repair company. We are a complete credit service to help anyone in any situation. We are also different than most credit repair companies out there that take your money every month, only to have little to no results on your credit report. In fact, many of our clients receive more money in their pocket than they pay us for their credit repair service. This is thanks to a new technology called Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology, which we are one of the first in the nation with this powerful tool. To learn more, tell us a little more about yourself, and click Next.